Out this 2020 Chevrolet. 2020 Chevrolet Trax LS AWD, low miles. This four-door wagon has a four-cylinder, 1.4-liter i4 engine with all-wheel drive and an automatic transmission. This Chevrolet is a great value with less than 22,000 miles on the odometer. Estimated fuel economy for this vehicle is 24 miles per gallon in the city and 29 miles per gallon on the highway. 2020 Chevrolet Trax LS AWD SUV. Ecotec 1.4L Turbo i4 automatic with only 21K. Great tires, great fuel economy, and affordable. This unit was in an accident in 2022. It was repaired, however, because of the accident it does have a branded title. This SUV books for $14,750. We have it priced at $11,995 because of the accident history. Don't miss your opportunity at this steal of a deal. $11,995. 1645 North Montana Avenue, Helena, Montana. 406-442-2931. jdautosols.net. Key features include auxiliary audio input, speed-sensitive volume control, smartphone integration, wireless data link, power windows, window defogger, air filtration, front air conditioning, power steering, digital odometer, external temperature display, battery saver, airbags, anti-lock brakes, braking assist, power brakes, child seat anchors, seatbelt force limiters, power door locks, stability control, and traction control.